Welcome to our comparison of the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine and the COSTWAY Twin Tub 26 pounds capacity laundry washer. Today we will delve into their features, pricing, and overall performance to determine which portable washing machine is the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. When it comes to washing capacity, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact can handle up to 20 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for smaller loads. In contrast, the COSTWAY model boasts a larger capacity of 26 pounds, allowing you to wash more clothes at once, which is particularly beneficial for larger households or those who do laundry less frequently. This significant difference in capacity can greatly impact your laundry experience, especially if you have a lot of items to wash. In terms of pricing, the Giantex model is priced at $159, making it a more budget-friendly option for those looking for a portable washing machine. On the other hand, the COSTWAY model comes in at $189. While it is slightly more expensive, it offers a larger capacity and additional features such as a built-in drain pump, which may justify the higher price for some users. It's essential to consider your budget and the features that matter most to you when making a decision. When it comes to features, the Giantex is a semi-automatic washing machine, which means it requires some manual intervention during the washing process. It is lightweight and easy to move, making it ideal for small living spaces. In contrast, the COSTWAY model is fully automatic, providing a more convenient laundry experience with its built-in drain pump for easy water removal. This feature can save you time and effort, especially if you frequently do laundry. Depending on your preference for convenience versus control, this could be a deciding factor. In conclusion, both the Giantex and COSTWAY portable washing machines have their unique advantages. If you prioritize a compact design and lower price, the Giantex may be the right choice for you. However, if you need a larger capacity and more features, the COSTWAY model could be the better option. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.